Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to create scroll animation using on-right interactions. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check it out in the description below. In today's video, I'll show you how to make that animation happen while scrolling. So let's jump into Figma and get started. This is the landing page I have already designed. First, take the hero section frame and duplicate it. Resize the heading text and move it to the left. Resize the image as well. Now move the subtext and the button to the left. Adjust the image size. Select all the elements in the frame and set their opacity to 0. Select the both frames and create a component set. Now connect those frames using after delay for 100 ms, smart animation and slow curve for 1000 ms. Then replace the original frame with the component. Take the next frame and duplicate it. Move the card up behind the first one. Do the same for second card. Select the both frame and create the component set. And connect those frames using mouse center interaction is in and out for 1000 ms. Replace the frame with the component. Repeat this process for remaining sections. And that's it. Now you have created a scroll animation in Figma that responds when you scroll. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.